Okay, so Neff cooking product, very, very big for us in store. People love the design. We've now gone over to this new graphite trim for the handles and the side strips, which in combination with the black glass looks really classy. There are so many products in the range, and depending on what you want, we have people that just want 2 full-size ovens, 60 centimetres high, 60 centimetres wide, and also some people that want to use a compact in combination, so you put a compact on top of a full-size oven, and this gives you the ability to have different features. So for instance, this is a built-in oven, full oven, but with a microwave function. This is the C24MT73G0B. It will allow you to microwave on its own, to cook with a fan oven, to grill, and also to combi cook, so using heat and microwave for speed. Massively popular, and just, it's convenient. You don't have to have a microwave on the side. When we come down below, this sort of product is fairly top of the range. This is a full function Circotherm Neff oven with the slide-and-hide door. Again, really popular. Great if you've got limited access with an island behind you, or maybe if you're slightly infirm or in a wheelchair. This product in particular has the grill, it has a normal oven, but it also has the facility to add steam. There's a tank which will allow you to add steam to any of your baking, bread making. You fill the tank with water, and during the cycle you just tell it how much steam you want added. Really top of the range. This comes with a meat probe as well for perfect cooking results, whatever you're doing. And that is the B64VT73G0B. Really top of the range, slide and hide, steam function, and a meat probe. When we come over here, this is slightly different. Maybe you don't want steam in the main oven. This is a compact that offers you a steam oven within the compact 45 centimetre product. So this one will give you a full oven, Circotherm oven, the grill, but also the ability to add steam. And that can be across all types of foods. Obviously great for the vegetables and things like that, but it will make your meat more succulent. It'll give you a better crackling on the pork. Steam is becoming more and more popular. So the C24FS31G0B, another compact that could go with a full oven, that will give you something slightly different. And finally, on this one, this is the B64VS71G0B. Again, the slide and hide oven, which is supremely popular. This product has Circotherm technology for the cooking. It has a grill in the top, pyrolytic cleaning. Nobody looks forward to cleaning their oven. And again, with the steam function, it's all done by an external tank. You can just add water, and then at the beginning of the cycle, you say, do you want medium steam, small amount of steam, or maximum? You can fill up if you do run out of water, because it's not affecting the actual oven cavity. You can refill during your cook cycle. But yeah, we really, really like the Neff products. And if you enjoy cooking and you want great results, Neff is the way to go.